And Allah Almighty says, and take necessary provision with you. The best provision is piety. Surah Baqarah, verse 197. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha narrates, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to migrate to Medina Munawwara, I prepared journey victuals for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Abu Bakr's, my father's house. But I could not find anything to tie up, pack the food and the water skin with. I submitted to Abu Bakr Siddiq, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I did not find anything to tie up these things with except my drawstring. He said, cut it into 2 pieces and tie the journey victuals with the one and the opening of the water skin with the other one. So I did accordingly, and for that reason I was named the possessor of 2 drawstrings. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2979.